Hi, this is Tracy from Gift Basket Appeal, and today I'm creating a really adorable holiday card for the Christmas season, and this is from my new Season's Greetings stamp set. So let's get started. So for today's card, I'm going to be using this adorable candy cane with the ribbon on it. And for those of you that know me, you know I love bows and ribbons. This is going to be an A2 size card, so you're going to need several things. You're going to need some of these. These are just little squares that I'm going to mount, well, sort of squares. I'm going to mount that on some black paper to just give it a little bit of an outline. So you're going to need 4 of those. And for the squares, let me just show you, you want it to fit, or somewhat squares, they're kind of rectangular. I just kind of cut them to fit my card as long as they were all the same size. So you want these to fit on here, and you want to have the white just kind of showing through the sides and across the middle. And so that's what I decided to do on that. And let's go ahead and stamp out our candy canes. I'm so excited with all of these ideas that I've been wanting to show all of you. Okay, so let me just go ahead and stamp these out. And these candy canes are fun to color. So if you're like me and you love coloring, this is the perfect set. And this stamp set is part of my Season's Greetings kit. So I will leave the link below so you can see all the goodies that are in that kit. Okay, so you're going to need 4 of these. So I'm going to be doing some fussy cutting. And I'm going to be coloring this in. So I want to do some blue on these. For some reason, this blue and red mix really, I'm falling in love with it. So you're going to need at least 2 that have blue stripes. And then I did a kind of a red and blue mixture. So you'll see in a moment how this turns out. And the stripes are wide enough on here to color in. This blue and red combination looks so pretty. So I'm just going to put a red bow on it. You see how that blue and red, it's just a light blue and red that goes so well together. It just works. Okay, so you see what that looks like? Now we're going to do another one. Let me show you another combination. There's so many different ways you can do this. Let's start with the red first. And I'm using my Tombow markers to color this in. So let's see. We can kind of mix the stripes here. So I'm going just right above this line here. And then I'm going to just go, probably do this in white and leave that the way it is. So I'm going above the line, just doing a small stripe of red. We'll see how this turns out. I think it's going to be a winner here. See how adorable that looks? Okay, so we're going to do this one also. So now I'm going to just go in with the blue and watch how that really, it just works. And if you hear that sound, Gooby is under the table. All right, so look at that. Okay, I'm gonna make the bow red again. Okay, so that's just the two colors. I'm going to do two of these in this color combination and two in this combination. So that'll kind of balance out my card. So now I'm going to go ahead and color these in, and then and fussy cut them, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so this is what my candy canes look like, all cut out and colored in. They are so adorable and the perfect size. So let me put those aside for a moment. And now we're going to just take these little white pieces and put them right up on here. And I'm going to cut that down just a tiny bit. I really want that to fit. I want that black outline to show. So I'm just kind of not using a cutter or anything. Just kind of eyeballing it here. I think that's enough around there. Just a little bit more I'm going to take off on that. Just a very tiny bit. And I did try measuring these out to begin with, but it's okay. Okay, that's great. So I'm going to just go ahead and glue these on. Using my art glitter glue. So you're just going to do this for all four of them. Yep. Okay. So you'll need to do 4 of these. Okay. So let me go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so once you have all 4 of these with the black backing on it, you're going to go ahead and put them on here, just like this. Now, to give it some dimension, I'm going to put some mounting tape on it, just because I want it to have a little bit of dimension. I think it'll look so cute. Look how cute. I just like how clean and neat that looks. Look at that. And you can do this for a lot of images. Okay, something like that. I'll just, so like this one right here, to me this is just a little bit too much. Just cut that down. Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm going to put my mounting tape. So I'll do one of these just to show you. Okay, and we're just going to pull that off. So I'll just show you this first one, and then I'll just add the other 4 in. And of course, I'm going to add some art glitter glue to this. And right about here, we'll have enough room to add my other one on there. And see, that just gives it a little bit of dimension on there. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the others. Okay, so this is all mounted on here. And look how cute that is. It just adds that dimension. Reminds me of a window, kind of, also. And so now we're going to put our candy canes on here. So look what happens when we put that one there, put the red, and blue stripes there. Look how adorable that looks. Now I could leave them flat, but I'm going to add a little bit more dimension using these little tiny mounting tape. So let me show you how I'm going to do one, and then I'll go ahead and do the others. I'm just going to add some here. Just little tiny crafts, you know? You just got to be very gentle when you're doing this. Itsy bitsy mounting tape. Sounds like a song. Okay. And you really have to have patience with this, but it's so well worth it, especially when you see the results. Put another one here. And then if you don't want to do this, you can just lay them flat on there. I can't wait to show you some of the other designs and the versatility of this stamp set. And it's just been amazing, amazing being able to create from a stamp that I created. And so that's the first one on. Look how, let me show y'all how cute that looks. Look at that, just that little bit adds that dimension to it. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other three, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and how adorable is that? It's clean and it's simple, and now we're gonna pop a little flower on here. Look at that, so cute. And this flower is going to be a tutorial that I offer when you purchase my kit. You will get the tutorial of how to make this cute little flower. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. And let's do add some sparkle to this, just a little bit. This is the Stickles in Crystal. And we're just gonna, just a little bit. Sometimes a little goes a long way when you're creating your cards. It doesn't have to be too much. And I'm not even gonna do stitching on this one, which is strange for me, right? So just a little bit of those. How pretty that looks. Let me just see if I can hold that up so you can see it. Just right there in the center of the bow. And now let me just add a little bit here to my flower. And I'm going to give this time to dry, but I'll show you the one that's already dry. This is so fun. And if you wanted to, you can do little dots of this all over. I love Stickles. This crystal one is nice because you can use it on just about anything. Great addition to your paper crafting. And so I'm going to just add a few, just wherever. Now these stickles don't come in a kit, but I will give you, I will put the link below for where I got these from. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I hope y'all can really see how that really makes the card pop. Now I'm going to have to go back and do the other card that I did. Almost looks like snow. Yep, so I'm super excited. 2019 is going to be an absolutely wonderful year of growth and doing some new things. And Bill and I are so happy about launching our first product in our store. Mindless crafting. Y'all made that phrase so popular. So that's what that looks like. Look how pretty that is. My goodness. Just be very careful with this. So I'm really liking this because now I'm going to have to go back and do the other one. I don't know if you can really see the sparkle of this. I wish the sun was out today so y'all can see this. Here's the other one. And all I did was I added the glitter to, or the stickles just to the flower. So you can just keep making these over and over. Look how pretty that looks. This combination right here as a holiday or Christmas decoration, I've seen a lot of decorations like that, which is why this is what inspired me to do these colors. So I hope this gave you some inspiration. Go and check out our store, mindlesscrafting.com. I'll leave the link below, and I'll leave everything that I used below in the description. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.